Oh! One man was down. Hey, last December, how things happen, man. So, one man was down. I don't know what is happening to him right now. But it's a story worth a share. It's a matter of you guys is supposed to know that there are some guys that are going through some situations, serious situations whereby they need people around them. They need people to talk to, you know. So, Mr. All Experience, we had to share you this thing. Oh, listen to this one.
Nikuze Simeda pa 25 December. Pa 25 December sindingayiwale. Nili kuchindeshe ndi Eleni. Simeda ndamusiya kunyumba kwake. Ananitumira message pa WhatsApp naimvera ndili ndi Eleni. Ananiuza kuti Aloni, Eleni akufuna ndrama zako sakufuna mtima wako.
Remo in the Magician album, he did the certain song, You Say, Tawi You Say. If you listen to that song, man.
Napanda ukumbukira mawasimena amanililisa. Mayanga ina kufutika kumusi. Endalama ni mapasele nine. Mayanga kufutika kumusi. Natumiza phone ya Eleni panopa ile kuchumba. Sipanipoteka. Lila usanipoteka. Ni ula chili chose.
On, man.
Sipenda kumena liko ukondwela. Akutalo nusivutika choncho. Nakuuza ene kuti Eleni kufuna ndalama. Sakufuna mtima wako. Ine ndapenda kuona kushoka pasi pa mtima ifo wandika ku college. Nameka ku college Simeda. Pita ku college mayaka mwalila ndi kuthandiza. Wapuzila college Simeda. Namkonda Eleni.